Hey, hello everyone. This is Professor Anandwani, Nilesh Anandwani from Anandwani Biology classes, as well as I have another YouTube channel that's called NetSet Exam Preparation. As you know that I'm always uploading the videos related to the NEET and NetSet exam preparation with a life science subject, or you can say biological subject. I'm a professor of biology having more than 10 years of experience in teaching biology for the NEET and NetSet. So today's our video is about kingdom fungi. Guys, I want to request you, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will not miss any video which is coming from my YouTube channel. So let's begin discuss about the kingdom fungi as well as their types of kingdom fungi. Let's begin. First character. They are mostly unicellular like yeast, and they are they may be the multicellular like penicillin. I'll tell you yeast is the unicellular organism. Actually fungi, if you talk about fungi, so they may be unicellular like yeast, and most probably they are multicellular. In mushroom also, and penicillium is also the multicellular. Yeast is a unicellular fungi, also called as a Saccharomyces cerevisiae scientifically, and also known as a baker's yeast. It is useful for the production of all the alcoholic beverages as well as the bread and bakery products. So it's called as a baker's yeast. And there are certain fungi which is multicellular like penicillium, which produce penicillin antibiotic, first antibiotic of the world, prepared by the Alexander Fleming in 1928 to 29. That was penicillin, obtained from Penicillium chrysogenum or Penicillium notatum, two type of fungi or fungus. The body of fungi is called as a mycelium, in which uh, a number of a thread-like structures are called hyphae. Uh, Mushroom body is like an umbrella, which has three parts, like a stipe. If I show you the diagram, yes, this is a structure of mushroom. So this portion is called as a stipe, and then lower portion, this yellow color portion, are called as a gills, and upper portion is called pillars. And complete body of mushroom is called as a mycelium. You can also see in this one. This is called stipe. This is called internal portion is called gills, and this upper portion is called pillars. And complete body of mushroom is called mycelium. See, they possess genetic material such as a chromosome and DNA with a histone protein. It is the common characters of all fungi. The hyphae may be with a septa, septate, or without septa, aseptate. Means this is a mushroom. If they have a branch, it is called as hyphae. It may be the hyphae, means it may be the septate, it may be aseptate. Means mushroom may be the branch, may be the without branch. The hyphae may be they may be the unicellular or multicellular. The non-septate multinucleated hyphae are called coinocytic hyphae. Means this is the mushroom. If it don't have mushroom, means non-septate. Mushroom hyphae is not there. Non-septate multinucleated means this mushroom is made by many nucleus. Then it is called coinocytic hyphae or coinocytic fungi. It is also known as. Study of mushroom is actually called mycology, or complete fungi is called mycology. Complete all the group of fungi are commonly studied under branch called mycology. Mycology. Usually, cell wall is absent, but in fungi, it is a pseudo cell wall, which is composed of chitin, which is also called fungal cell wall, fungal cellulose. Actually, fungi do not have a cell wall, yes, but some material is present in the outer covering of fungi. That material is called chitin, and that site is also called pseudo cell wall. Actually, cell wall is not there, but it is same like a cell wall. That's why the material is called organelle is called cell wall, or you can say pseudo cell wall, means faulty cell wall. And how the cell wall of a plant is made? They are made by the cellulose, and in fungi it is made by chitin. That's why chitin is called as a fungal cellulose. Fungi contain membrane-bounded cell organelle except chloroplast. So fungi have a mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, but don't have chloroplast because no fungi can do the photosynthesis. They are absorptive in nature, means if you are moving through the road as a walking and you found the very small mushroom is there. So after 3 days you will come to know it will become a large in size, just because they absorb the moisture from the atmosphere, and generally this condition found in rainy season, that's why they are absorptive in nature. Next, mostly they are heterotrophic while some are saprophytic. Mostly they are depending on other heterotrophic, but some are saprophytic, means they grows on dead and decaying material. Reproduction is vegetative, asexual and sexual. It's very common character. They may be unicellular organism which have a protoplasm with many nuclei. Example rhizopus, or with a single nuclei, maybe the yeast. Example of fungi, kingdom fungi, is mushroom, penicillium, yeast, etc. Moving towards the type of fungi. Guys, if you are please new to my channel, or if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel so that you will get new video related to you can say biology subject of NCERT CBSE for the NEET and CET, AIPMT, JIPMER, AIMS like exam preparation. The fungi are further classified into four categories: phycomycetes, ascomycetes, basidiomycetes, deuteromycetes. I'll tell you phyco. Phyco is algae. Mycetes is a fungi. Ascomycetes. Let's begin. Phycomycete means algae-like fungi. Commonly, they are called as the algal fungi and consist of a coinocytic hyphae. Phycology is a study of algae and mycology is study of fungi. So this is common, algal fungi. They commonly grows in moist and on decaying organic matter. They reproduces endogenously and produce spore inside sporangia. This is called endospore, and examples are mucor and rhizome. I'll tell you in clearly. They are commonly called algal fungi and they have a coinocytic hyphae. They are commonly grows on moist area as well as on decaying dead matter. So they are saprophytic in nature also. They produced endogenous spore inside the sporangia. Like how human male have a testis. So this is sporangia. You can say testis of you can say phycomycetes. And testis produce sperm. They produce endogenous spore. Examples are mucor, rhizopus, etc. Ascomycete. They are multicellular and commonly called as a sac fungi. Sac asco. They have a one pouch-like structure called sac. Sac-like structure called acy. That's why it is called ascomycete. Asco, sac. Mycetes, fungi. Sac, fungi. They produce endogenous sexual spore called as a ascospore in a sac-like structure called acy. So this is an organ acy in which spores are produced. These spores are called ascospore. The asexual and exogenously produced spores are called conidia, which produce in conidiospore. So they produce two types of spore. Endogenous spore inside, it is called ascospore, produced in acy, and exogenous spore means spore produced from outside, and the organ is called conidiophore, and the exogenous spores are called conidia. Sorry, spores are called conidiospore and this organ is called conidia. Means internal organ is acy which produce ascospore, external organ is conidia which produce conidiospore. Example aspergillus, penicillium, neurospora, etc. Yeast is unicellular. We have already discussed it. Basidiomycetes, they are commonly called as a club fungi in which it includes mushroom, bracket fungi, etc. They have a branch septate hyphae, means they possess branches. Asexual reproduction is absent, but vegetative reproduction takes place by pieces, means by fragmentation. They produce sexual spore called basidiospore. That's why they are called basidiomycetes exogenously. Example is agaricus, which is one type of mushroom. Eusteligio pusnea. Next, deuteromycetes. Commonly, they are called as the imperfect fungi. It is also asked in KBC. कौन बनेगा करोड़पति? It is a temporary group of fungi which reproduce only asexually. Whenever their sexual reproduction is discovered, they are transferred to the respective group. They are right now they are showing asexual reproduction, but when their sexual reproduction will be discovered, it will be transferred into another group. They are general decomposer. Example: Alternaria, Coli, Colitotrichum, and Trichophyton. Trichophyton is also a trichophyton with a microsporium. They causes some fungal infection like elephantiasis, etc., etc. Sorry, not elephantiasis. Elephantiasis caused by Wuchereria bancropti. This is generally found in ringworm infection. Okay, guys, so this was the fungi kingdom, fungi and type of kingdom fungi. Phycomycetes, commonly called algal fungi, ascomycete, commonly called sac fungi, basidiomycete, commonly called club fungi, and deuteromycete, commonly called imperfect fungi. These are some diagrams of fungi. I hope so you like my video, guys. Uh, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you so much. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.